Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create editorial magazine style frames using frames in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a portrait canvas like a magazine page. First I place a high quality photo and position it slightly off center. Then I draw a thin rectangular frame around the image. After that I adjust the stroke color to a soft neutral tone. Now I add a second inner frame to give a premium editorial feel. Next I align everything carefully using guides. Then I add subtle shadows to separate the image from the background. After this I experiment with frame thickness for visual hierarchy. Now I zoom out and check overall balance. Finally I polish the design until it feels clean